This is Kevin at Sterling Fleet Outfitters. We're proud to present you the Sprinter build. So we'll just hop inside. Out here you can see your tough lock. So we have it on the rear and the side. They are key to like. So you'll have your key on your keychain. Open up and go inside. So inside you can see our shelving unit is here. So you have your hook on the end panel. These are locking doors. So again, the keys are on your keychain. So a slam latch. And then inside here we have your dividers and clips. So those can be clipped into the shelf, so that you'll just find that inside here. Another locking door there. Kick plate, just so that you can store stuff without it moving around. On the passenger side here we have a full height bin unit. So these are our brand new packed bins. So they have removable sections, so you can have full bin, half bins, or 4 sections, as you can see. New design, sleeker fit, and then also self-centering. So you throw it in and it centers right in between the shelves. If you come to your passenger side, your lights control is right by the bench. That's for the under hood bench. You got your vise unit, and we have our inverter here. So you got full access to everything, your workstation. Your Milwaukee Packout cases are along this side. The goal is, without even coming in, you can grab your cases and go. And then we have your future compressor or tool chest storage place here with the tie down tracking. So the nice thing with this is our L track. This is the clasp, so you just push in and then you can move it up and down the track and then it locks in place. So secure holding station there and your full workstation. Once again, Kevin from Sterling Fleet Outfitters, we really appreciate your business. Thanks once again.